My name is Dr. Ismail Badjie. I'm a pharmacist by training. I was practicing in the US for a little bit over 8 years. And currently I'm the founder and CEO of Innovrix Global Health. IGH is a healthcare solutions company that opened in the Gambia, just focused on delivering quality healthcare to people all over the country. Lies go around the world before the truth catches up. So we're catching up to misinformation that came out earlier than the vaccines did. So I think a lot of people fundamentally don't understand how important vaccines are, not only for COVID, but humanity. Things like smallpox, measles, chicken, all these different diseases that used to wipe out nations, is because of vaccines, we don't talk about them anymore. And the tragedy is Gambia has actually had a very successful track record in vaccination. So we've always been a nation of people who took vaccinations. But if you talk about the COVID, I think the reason why it's so important is all Gambians should understand what our reality is. We're not a country that could shut down because then the economy dies. We're not a country that's not going to stop social gathering because we are inherently social people. So that cannot go away. So it leaves us with two options. High exposure, which a lot of people are going to get sick. The more people who get COVID end up in the hospital, and a portion of that in the hospital may not make it. Vaccines is the only way where you could minimize the amount of people who both get sick, or if they do get coronavirus, it's not as bad to a point where they need to get hospitalized. So I think it's just our current reality. We have to know that the smartest people in the world have collaborated on the coronavirus vaccine, something that's unprecedented when it comes to vaccine development. Some of our Gambian brothers and sisters who are working at these institutions in the world. So now that we had a vaccine shortage, we have provisions now. So the ball is in our court. We have a role in how the next couple of months becomes for us. And I think vaccinations is our only saving grace, because once again, shutting down the economy, telling people don't mingle with people, those are not realities that we could ascribe to. So it's just so important for us to build our systems, and vaccines are just the most protective thing we could do at this point.